Listen to these words very carefully. See if you can hear the m sound in the middle of these words. Hammock, hammock. The cat is dozing off in the hammock. Hammock is a chair without legs. Trumpet, trumpet. Sarah is learning to play a trumpet to create some music. I bet she needs a lot of more practice. Lemon, lemon. I love eating lemon pickle. Lemons are very sour. We know how to say the sound. Now we can learn how to write the letter M. Practice with me. Start from top, hit the bottom, go up again and make 2 camel humps. Good job. Now we will write the letter on paper with a pencil. Start from top, hit the bottom, go up again and make 2 camel humps. Now check if you did it right.
Like, share and subscribe.